Never heard Bigfoot knocking before, but I hear something weird right now. I can't explain it. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but I thought I'd record it for a second.